So guys, today I'm going to be driving this train. I hope I'm a good driver. Since there's so many people. Guys, why you're not sitting? There's a chair here. It's okay. We can still alive. Yeah, Smiley, you're right. I'm sitting here with you because you're famous YouTubers. Thank you so much. Popcat, are this train going to start? I don't know. Oh, they're waiting. Time to start. Whoa, this is so fast. Oh, I dropped. I told you to sit down, but I'm sitting down. I'm standing. I'm still alive. Yeah, me neither. Oh, I need to drive fast. Whoa, this is so fast again. Wait, I think I saw Mr. Beast. We're falling down. Yeah. What do we do? Yeah! Hope we're flying this train.